Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Dirt Path Exploration. Today, we traveled to Amherst, New Hampshire to take the Lindabury Orchard Trail. The 0.7 mile out and back trail meanders through the 47-acre property of Lindabury Orchard. The orchard is also the site of the annual Cider Fest. Held typically in late September or early October, the Cider Fest includes some fun fall activities, such as a hayride and apple pressing. The trail is a dirt path that first takes you through an open orchard section that includes some views of hills in the distance. The trail then continues to a forested area after that. There is lots of sun in portions of the trail, and in others it is heavily wooded, so you'll want to prepare for both, even though it is a rather short trail. The forested section of the trail can be confusing, especially near the end of the initial length of the trail, as the signage isn't as clear as some other trails we've done, and during the fall, the leaves can cover the paths, so it's difficult to see where others have walked, and the three paths converge in a single spot, so you can get easily turned around. The trail's unique features are the orchard portion. The old vine-covered sheds and apple trees around give a nice, extra quaint New England feel to the trail. It's also a well-kept and maintained trail and conservation area. My favorite part of the trail is where the orchard starts heading towards the forested section, and there's a slight hill allowing you to overlook the forest and the hills in the background. There's also a pair of chairs where you can sit and enjoy the view for a bit before continuing onward. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video and want to see more like it, hit like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to let us know your favorite trails in your local area.